Hello and welcome to this first lecture in this new course on AI in operations management. So in this section, we will give you an overview of how can you use artificial intelligence for excellence in operations management. And we will begin by taking a look at how can AI help build excellence in operations management. So before we get into taking a look at how can AI help excellence in operations management, let's first understand that AI can significantly enhance the operations excellence, right? And it can do this by improving the efficiency of operations, reducing cost, and increasing decision making accuracy. Now, what are the specific things, specific initiatives that you can take to help build excellence in operations from artificial intelligence? Let us take a look at them. So, first key way artificial intelligence can help excellence in operations management is through process optimization and automation. And there are few, to be precise, three key initiatives that we will talk about here. First is predictive maintenance. Now, using predictive maintenance, AI can predict, equipment failures before they happen, and that will reduce the downtime and the maintenance cost. So that's one very powerful thing that artificial intelligence can do through predictive maintenance. Second, another key initiative is the robotics process automation (RPA), which automates repetitive tasks like invoicing, procurement, and inventory management. These are important tasks, but RPA can automate that. The third thing that we will talk about later on in this course is intelligent scheduling, in which AI can optimize, workforce and machine scheduling, and which will reduce, you know, idle time and increase productivity. So these are the three key initiatives under process optimization and automation banner. Second thing AI can do is help in data-driven decision making. And it's a very powerful general capability, but it can definitely help in operations management. And it can do that through advanced analytics, where AI can analyze vast amounts of data, right? And with that, it can provide actionable insights on things like efficiency, cost cutting, and quality improvement all at the same time. And that's where the beauty of AI comes in. Second thing is real time monitoring, where AI powered dashboards can track, key performance indicators, and that can make the proactive help in making proactive adjustments, leading to lower operational costs. So these are the ways data-driven decisions can be made using AI. The third thing is optimizing the supply chain, where through AI we can do demand forecasting. AI can predict demand fluctuations, reducing excess inventory and stockouts. Because in operations, those of you been there, you either have excess inventory or you have stockout. So it can help you balance that much more with the AI-driven forecasting solutions. Second thing you can do with AI is smart logistics, in which AI optimizes routes for delivery. You know, that saves costs and improves the delivery speed. So smart logistics is another thing. Then you can do, assessment of suppliers risk. The AI can help you evaluate suppliers' performance and predict potential risks with suppliers or for each suppliers in certain category of material. So that's how AI can help you optimize the supply chain. The fourth area is it can help you build operations that are customer centric. And there you can use things like AI chatbots and virtual assistants, which can improve customer service by handling inquiries efficiently. And also, it can help you build personalized experiences, customer experience, where AI can recommend, personalized products and services based on the customer preferences. So that's how AI can do the customer-centric operations. Then the fifth thing is it can help you build the capabilities in risk management and compliance. It can help you detect fraud. It identifies anomalies and fraud patterns in transactions. It can help you in regulatory compliance by ensuring adherence to industry regulations by continuously monitoring and flagging violations. So there's a whole process that you can come back and take a look at for each of these when you download the PDF file. The sixth and the last thing is cost reduction and waste minimization. AI can identify inefficiencies in production line to reduce waste using lean manufacturing, and it can help you optimize energy consumption, leading to lower operation costs and improved services with those lesser costs. So that's what AI can do in terms of cost reduction and waste minimization. So what do we do next? So having looked at broadly where are the AI can help you build excellence in operations, let us take a look at few case studies of AI actually having built excellence in operations management. Here we'll talk about three case studies, starting with Amazon first, then going on to Siemens, and third one being UPS. So let's begin with Amazon in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first overview lecture in this course, AI in Operations Management. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need.